I don't have 15 yet.
Bang it.
That's hilarious. I think you scared it.
That was perfect timing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, your last round?
That was nice, actually. It was hard to get that feel for the unweightiness of it, though.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell I'm hitting? Okay, there we go.
.57 pistol to that man target. These plates are made out of AR 500. That metal man target is made out of cold steel, and it can handle a 45, 357 Magnum 10mm 9 and all that. But the thing about the 5.7, the 5.7 puts some blisters in it.
Right.
You know.
That's fine.
And I've shot. I got the 5.7 rifle with a PS. Golly, man, that puts a whopping on it.
Really?
That's a mean thing. Now, at 15, you can hit 15 and you miss it because it's right through it. It don't.
Really?
Yes,
That's
sir.
the 9?
Oh, shit.
It'll
Now, this
sit
is
right
the
there,
45.
and you would think, and you're drilling holes slam through it. You know.
That's awesome.
Oh, that's like Glock.
Yeah, my Glock.
Sorry about that.
I like my Glocks.
Nice.
You want a big magazine?
No, man, my hand hurts all right.
Funny.